Hey YouTubers, today we're going to install the Ikonmotorsports rear window spoiler for the 2018 Civic. Comes with some tape, two-sided tape. We're going to put that on. I've already cleaned the back window and we'll get to it. So I went ahead and did the edges, did a little bit of cutting. You want to make sure that there is no bubbles, make sure it's nice and straight. Just gonna want to go in there and kind of tighten it out, smooth out those ridges. That way it makes good contact with the adhesive. And then we'll go ahead and use up the rest of the tape just to give it a nice solid hold. So we use the rest of the double-sided tape. Got some pretty good coverage on it. Still some gaps, but there's enough coverage there. It should hold pretty well. So you'd normally want to have two people to do this, but you can do it with one person. As long as you leave the tape on, it won't get stuck. You can go ahead and take a look around and just make sure everything looks like how you want it to look. And when you're ready, peel the tape off. Alright, all the tape's off. Just press down firmly on it. Make sure it gets the good seal. And it looks pretty good. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put a comment down below. I'll try to answer them.